I say a big thank you to the team for very kindly gifting me these really awesome London themed magnets. There's 24 here and they're all unique, interesting, iconic designs. Starting off here, we've got the Union flag here, or the Union Jack. Let's look at the thickness of it, not too thick. This is going to hold up a good few pieces of paper. London Electric Railways, a very cool diagram of that there. If you're British, you've been to London, you've seen this. Her late Royal Highness, Her Majesty, looking beautiful there. I say the artwork is really nice quality. It's a really nice print. I can feel it's really well made as well. But a very cool black and white London tour advertising slogan there. I really like this one. This is Fortnum & Mason. Now, Fortnum & Mason, if you've never heard, is a very fancy, expensive, deluxe shop. And it is where the royals and things shop and celebrity shop. So if you ever go to London, just go and get a carry bag. I'll pick up these magnets. Got a really nice picture map London there. This is really retro. This is obviously a soldier with the Union flag there. And another Keep Calm Carry On with a massive bus as well. I think that's Piccadilly Circus, but from like the 50s, I think. You may not recognise that one. That is Big Ben. Very cool London trams and buses picture. We've got Trafalgar Square. We've got Buckingham Palace. You can visit, you know, if you do pop in. We've got some more London there and another soldier. Another bit of advertising there, and that just on the edge is a beefeater, which protects the Tower of London. We've got another sort of map scene there, and also Elizabeth R's emblems. I really like this vibrant red, actually. I like the different colours. We've got Tower Bridge, which is different from London Bridge, and also another bus. These are really great. These are great for yourself, just to remind yourself, you know, of what a great place London is to visit. Maybe you've visited, or maybe you want to visit, maybe you've never got there. What a great way to have a gift for yourself or someone else. What a fab little product.